It was a spark plug gauge taped to a ruler.
That's hilarious.
That's funny.
Okay. Alright. What is it, man?
Another box!
What is it? What the hell is it? What the hell is this?
You guys see what it is?
Oh my god, Mommy!
You guys like them?
Yes!
Awesome.
That was no mistake.
No, it wasn't at all.